What's good, YouTube? Yeah, y'all here for that money. Y'all see that money, man. Y'all see that money, man. Y'all trying to know how can y'all get y'all name on it, man. How can y'all get that too? Look, first off, I ain't nobody special, so y'all can get what I got multiplied. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how to do this in 5 steps, man. 5 steps, man. And I'm gonna talk to y'all as if y'all already be making music and y'all already an artist. Even if you're not an artist, even if you're a producer, you can do this because look, this is what I did. I'm an introvert, so look, I step outside the party, get on my phone. You know, I'm on my phone. I already got beats. I make 10 to 15 beats a day. At this point, I post a beat. Say that beat make $1. Nigga, I'm posting at least 100 beats. How did that not make sense? So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And then a lot of people were stealing my beats, so you know I had to take it down because I don't want to copyright, but at the same time, come on, man. I post instrumentals as it is, man. When I post an instrumental on Distrokid, when I post them on YouTube, yeah, it's cool sometimes. But when I post them on Distrokid, I'm expecting people not to steal my shit, but a lot of people would, believe it or not. But yeah, I'm talking to y'all as if y'all already make music and y'all artists. I broke this down in 5 steps, man. The first step, sign up, man. Y'all gotta set up the account. Y'all gotta first sign up, man. And I got a link for y'all. It's in the bio. A specific link that y'all could, a referral code that y'all can put in, and y'all can get some money off of y'all membership. But at the same time, hey, it's only $3.33 a month. And I know y'all got $3.30 a month, but it's gonna be even cheaper when you put that link in that I'm about to put in the bio for y'all. So yeah, first thing, y'all gotta set it up. Second thing is make music. I'm talking to y'all as if y'all already be making music, man. So yeah, y'all already be making music, man. Keep it up. Keep making music, man. So yeah, after that, you gotta know when to drop, bro. It's been so many times, y'all. I make a song, I'll leave the studio, and I'm not like, okay, this shit slap in the car. After I'm leaving the studio, playing in the speaker, the boys like, yeah, that shit hard. Next thing I know, I'm sitting on that song for like a week, and I'm like, you know what? I might not even drop it, bro. But the whole time, you're supposed to let everybody who listens to your song judge your song. You're supposed to let all the consumers judge it. Why would you judge it? That's like you judging your own weed, and you the weed man. Now you getting high off your own supply and you losing money. Yeah. But yeah, so you gotta be consistent and collab to grow. The reason I say be consistent because I always thought of this. Hold on. You gotta be a business mind, man. And when you an entrepreneur, you self-employed. This is basically being self-employed. So when you an entrepreneur and you a business, you gotta think of everything you're doing as a business. So thinking your music is a store on all platforms: Amazon Music, Spotify, YouTube, Apple, everything, all the above. So look, you gotta think about it like this. A lot of people's walking past your store, even on Instagram. Think of your Instagram like this. A lot of people's walking past your Instagram, scrolling past your music. You gotta have something that stand out, and you gotta be consistent so you catch people. So people walking in your store, they're like, okay, I like this song, or I like this shirt. In translation, is they gonna buy? Is they gonna stick around? Is the product good enough to keep going? Are you gonna be consistent with the product that you put out? You gotta think about all them things and be mindful of what the consumer thinks, and let the consumer judge. Then you have to listen to the consumer. So the 5th step is you have to make content to be heard and be different. Maybe you gotta make some, music videos. You gotta make some content. Maybe make some TikToks, some funny videos or something. Put your song in the background. Maybe the video might go viral. And since it's your song in the background, and I'm not talking about just put it in the background. No, you have to search your song up, add it into the thing add it into a reel on Instagram, add it into a TikTok on Instagram, search your song, plug your song in, so it translates to your Distrokid and you get money from every view. You don't get people paying you straight money, you get paid from attention. You gotta know that too. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the tips that I got for y'all. Here's the tips that I got for y'all. The first one is cut your expenses. Cut all your expenses out the way. Hey, you ain't gotta hit the studio. Learn everything on your own. Learn how to engineer yourself. Learn how to upload your own music. Learn how to record yourself. Learn how to write your own songs. Learn how to make your own beats. learn how to be a marketer. Learn. Cause I can tell you right now, if this ain't what you want to do, you can charge people for services. You can be a business. You can be like, oh yeah, I can take your business to the next level. I can set your website up for you. I can engineer for you. I can make beats for you. I can do whatever. You know, you can teach somebody else. So this is another way to make it if you want to spend money. Okay, boom. Have it. Somebody make your beat. Somebody make you sound good. Engineer you. Somebody do your social media. Somebody shoot your video. If all 4 of them people share and they have a platform and they share your music, you're investing your money in the right way. If they're not sharing your music, you gotta know you're wasting your money. Cause you gonna have to do it all on your own and they not walking you through how to do all this shit. The second thing is, be original. You gotta be original. You have to. That's mandatory. You gotta know music is a business. You have to know it's a business. You have to. And it's competition. Don't send your music to other rappers. Why would you send your music to other rappers? They're not the consumers. They're creators just like you. So unless they're gonna put you on a platform where it's a lot of people looking at you, don't share it to them. Oh yeah, another thing that I didn't add on here, you need to be consistently around a new audience. You need to consistently be around a new audience. The same people is not going, they're going be like, oh damn, this nigga still rapping? Damn, this nigga still be making music? Like damn, you gotta be around some people, who new people who figure out about you. You have something different going about you, because everybody's a rapper. That's why I say, be original. Content to be heard, be different. You have to, like, everybody's a rapper. But yeah, playlist and collab is the only way to grow. That's the only way to grow. I'm gonna be real with you. So that's pretty much the end of the video. I'm not nobody special. I'm just trying to show y'all how to make y'all $500. And I got some advice because I have some experience. If y'all want to take it or leave it, that's on y'all. But if y'all want to quit. That's another thing I forgot to tell y'all. If y'all ever got any doubts of quitting, quit, man. Quit. Because you waste people time, you waste people money. I mean, if you don't quit, you're gonna have some knowledge, you're gonna have some, success to spread to somebody else. You're never too old to be a mentor, and you're never too young to spread knowledge, to teach something. But yeah, so hey, if y'all wanna quit. If y'all wanna go hard, man. I'm just here to spread the knowledge to y'all. I might quit, hey. That ain't none of y'all business though. I'm just trying to put y'all on how to make $500 or more. Cause I ain't nobody special. But yeah, I'm out of here, man. Like, subscribe, and share. If y'all like the video, man, comment whatever y'all want me to make a video about, cause I got plenty of different stories and topics I could talk about, But yeah, that's my 2 cents, man. I'm out of here. I'm gone.